Have you ever wondered what it would be like to not worry about money? A life where the constant pressure of bills, debts, and financial obligations doesn't weigh you down. This isn't an illusion or a pipe dream, but a reality that can be achieved through financial independence. Financial independence, at its core, is about taking control. It's about moving away from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and breaking free from the constraints of regular employment. It's about having the freedom and flexibility to make choices that aren't dictated by your paycheck or your boss. It's about living life on your terms. Imagine waking up each day knowing that you have the power to decide how you spend your time. You could choose to work on a passion project, travel to a new country, spend time with loved ones, or even pick up a new hobby. The point is, you have the freedom to choose because you're not tied down by financial obligations. But how does one achieve this sort of financial independence? It's not through winning the lottery or inheriting a fortune. Instead, it's about making smart financial decisions, leveraging the power of the internet, and creating multiple streams of income. It's about understanding that every dollar you earn is a step towards independence, and every dollar you save is a step towards freedom. Financial independence is not just about wealth, it's also about time. Time to do the things you love, time to spend with the people you care about, and time to live a life that is truly yours. It's about having the financial security to take risks, chase dreams, and live life without fear of financial instability. So, what does financial independence mean to you? Is it being able to travel the world at a whim? Is it the freedom to quit a job you dislike? Or is it simply the peace of mind that comes from knowing you have enough to provide for your loved ones? Whatever it is, remember that financial independence is not an unreachable goal. It's a journey, and like any journey, it begins with a single step. Imagine living a life without financial constraints. Impossible? Not at all. Not. Scene script. Embarking on a journey to financial independence requires a roadmap. Indeed, it's a journey that demands a well-thought-out plan. So, where do you start? Well, it all begins with goal setting. You need to identify what financial independence means to you and set clear, measurable goals to get there. It may be as simple as being able to pay your bills without stress, or as ambitious as retiring early. Whatever your dreams, write them down and make a commitment to achieve them. Next, you need to take a hard look at your budget. This isn't just about cutting out that morning latte, it's about understanding where your money goes and making smart decisions about what's necessary and what's not. It's about balancing your present needs with your future goals. And yes, that might mean making sacrifices now for greater rewards later. But budgeting is just part of the equation. The next step is saving. This is where you start to see the fruits of your budgeting labor. It's not just about putting away a few dollars here and there. It's about building an emergency fund, saving for retirement, and setting money aside for those larger life goals. Now let's talk about investing, the secret weapon in your financial independence arsenal. Investing is how you take your savings and put them to work. It's about understanding the power of compound interest and letting your money grow over time. Whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or starting your own business, investing is how you build wealth and create passive income streams. It's important to remember that this journey is unique for everyone. There's no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to financial independence. It's about finding what works for you and being flexible enough to adapt as your circumstances change. And lastly, don't forget to celebrate your victories along the way. Every step you take towards financial independence, no matter how small, is worth celebrating. It's a testament to your commitment and perseverance. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that step today and start your journey towards financial independence. So, how do you navigate this journey? Let's delve into practical strategies to chart your course towards financial independence. Firstly, consider creating multiple income streams. Don't put all your financial eggs in one basket. Diversify. You may have a day job, but think about freelancing on the side. Use your skills and talents to make money online. From writing to graphic design, coding to consulting, the possibilities are endless. And the best part? You can work from anywhere in the world. Next, let's talk about investing. It's a powerful tool that can help you grow your wealth over time. Investing in stocks can be a great way to start. You don't need a fortune to begin. Small, consistent investments can yield impressive results in the long run. But stocks aren't the only game in town. Real estate can also be a lucrative investment. Whether it's renting out a property or flipping houses, real estate offers several ways to generate income. Remember, it's all about buying low and selling high. Starting a business is another effective strategy. It's not for the faint of heart, but the rewards can be immense. From creating an online store to launching a tech startup, the opportunities are as vast as your imagination. And with the rise of the digital economy, setting up a business has never been more accessible. Keep in mind, these strategies require diligence, patience, and a willingness to take calculated risks. There's no magic bullet, no get-rich-quick scheme that will catapult you to financial independence overnight. But with persistence and a well-thought-out plan, it's entirely achievable. One last thing, educate yourself. Read books, take online courses, join webinars, or find a mentor. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Knowledge truly is power, especially when it comes to your finances. These strategies are not just theories, they are proven paths to financial independence. So, are you ready to take the driver's seat and steer your way towards financial freedom? The journey may be long, but the destination is well worth it. Still skeptical? Let's hear some real-life success stories. Consider Sarah, a graphic designer stuck in a 9-to-5 grind, feeling unfulfilled and undercompensated. She took the leap, began freelancing, and developed a diverse client base. Today, she's not only financially independent, but also has the freedom to choose projects that truly excite her. Then, there's Mike. He was a retail manager, barely making ends meet. Spotting an opportunity in the online retail space, he started a dropshipping business. Despite initial challenges and steep learning curves, his perseverance paid off. Today, his business has grown exponentially, proving that financial independence is achievable through online entrepreneurship. Let's not forget about Lisa, a single mother who wanted to secure a better future for her children. She turned to investing, starting small with stocks and gradually moving into real estate. She faced numerous setbacks, but her determination never wavered. Now she enjoys a steady stream of passive income, demonstrating that strategic investing can be a powerful tool for financial independence. And finally, there's John. He was an IT professional, tired of the corporate rat race. He found his calling in affiliate marketing, leveraging his tech skills to promote products he believed in. It took time to build his network, but his patience bore fruit. Today, he earns a comfortable living, showing us that even niche online avenues can lead to financial freedom. Each of these individuals started from square one, just like you. They faced obstacles, endured failures, but they pushed through. They took control of their financial destiny using the very strategies we've discussed. It wasn't always easy, but they had a goal in sight and the determination to reach it. These stories are not rarities. They are not exceptions. They are examples of ordinary people who decided to make extraordinary changes. They are living proof that financial independence isn't just a pipe dream. It's a reachable goal if you're willing to put in the effort and seize the opportunities that the online world presents. These stories are living proof that financial independence is achievable. Ready to take the first step? Let's dive into some actionable tips that you can start implementing today to set the stage for your financial independence. First and foremost, let's talk about savings. Start a savings plan, even if it's just a small amount each month. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. This isn't just about setting money aside, it's about cultivating discipline, a habit of saving that will serve you well as you navigate your path to financial freedom. Next, let's tackle expenses. It's time to trim the fat. Identify non-essential expenses in your budget and start cutting back. This might mean forgoing that daily coffee shop visit, or opting for a home-cooked meal instead of takeout. Small changes can make a big difference over time. Now let's delve into the world of investments. Educate yourself about different investment opportunities, stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds, the list goes on. The more you understand, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Last, but certainly not least, consider creating a passive income stream. This can be anything from rental income, dividends from investments, or even an online business. The beauty of passive income is that it works for you, even when you're not working. Remember, financial independence isn't achieved overnight. It takes time, effort, and patience. But with these actionable tips, you're laying a solid foundation on which you can build your financial future. And here's a bonus tip: never stop learning. The world of finance is ever evolving. Stay informed, stay curious, and don't be afraid to ask questions. With these tips, you are well on your way to financial independence. You're taking control of your financial future, and that's something to be proud of. Keep going, keep growing, and remember, you've got this. Scene script. Want to dive deeper into the world of financial independence? Imagine having a comprehensive roadmap at your fingertips, a step-by-step guide that could take you from where you are now to the heights of financial self-reliance. That's exactly what this ebook is all about. It's more than just a book, it's your personal mentor, guiding you on every step of your journey towards financial freedom. This ebook is a treasure trove of knowledge, meticulously researched and compiled to help you navigate the world of online earnings and investments. It covers a wide array of topics, from freelancing and online businesses to investment strategies and more. Each chapter is filled with practical advice, tips, and strategies that you can start implementing immediately. In this ebook, you'll find detailed sections on how to start and grow your own online business, the art of freelancing, and how to invest wisely. These are not mere theories, these are practical, actionable steps that have worked for countless individuals. But that's not all. This ebook also includes real-life success stories. These inspirational tales of ordinary people achieving extraordinary success will fuel your motivation and show you that financial independence is not just a pipe dream, but a very achievable reality. This ebook is not about get-rich-quick schemes, it's about equipping you with the knowledge and tools to build wealth over time. It's about empowering you to take control of your financial future. It's about helping you break free from the shackles of traditional employment and step into a world where you are your own boss. The journey to financial independence may not be easy, but with this ebook as your guide, you'll be well equipped to face any challenges that come your way. You'll understand the nuances of the online money-making world, and you'll be able to make informed decisions that lead to financial success. With this ebook, financial independence is no longer a dream, but a goal within your reach. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? That's the question we've been exploring today. We've journeyed together through the exciting world of financial independence, highlighting the importance of breaking free from the traditional employment model. We've uncovered practical strategies that can be applied to achieve this freedom, whether it be through freelancing, starting your own online business, or making smart investments. Remember those inspiring success stories we shared? Individuals just like you, who dared to dream, took the leap, and now enjoy the fruits of their financial independence. They are no superhumans. They simply learn to understand the landscape and apply the strategies we've discussed. We've also offered actionable tips that you can implement right now. Small steps that can lead to significant changes. The key is to start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's a vast ocean of knowledge waiting for you in our comprehensive ebook guide. It's an in-depth roadmap to financial independence, packed with more detailed strategies, success stories, and actionable tips. It's a tool designed to empower you to become your own boss, to seize control of your financial future, and to live the life you've always dreamed of. The journey towards financial independence is unique for everyone. It's a path paved with challenges but also rich with rewards. It's a journey worth embarking on, not just for the financial freedom it offers, but for the personal growth and fulfillment it brings. So, what's next? The first step is the most important one. And that first step could be as simple as exploring the full content of our ebook. You've got the drive, the desire, and now, you've got the guide. All you need to do is to take action. Start your journey to financial independence today. Grab your copy of the ebook now.